28th of February. And that is in the last month. We share a signal in the group. I mean, by the grace of God, you know what happens. NZD USD was a buy, as highlighted even in my MetaTrader for app that we buy here. GBP USD was forever going to the downside. We actually sent a signal, so even this week it is continuing to the downside. NZD JPY a buy, as you can see when the market gets here. We're looking to buy this week. So this actually is an analysis from last week, as you can see, the 28th of February. And then this one also respecting the yellow zone, they will actually push to the upside or to the downside if it breaks Euro USD to the upside. Then today I sent a signal again for GBP JPY, and this actually the results afterwards 150 pips in a single day, and you see that 30 pips. So now with this guy, I had explained initially, where is it? I had explained to them 26. Why am I moving too fast? It should be somewhere around here. It's a kind of match. Oh, bro. So next week, looking to push Euro price to the upside now. We'll keep a close eye for pullback, then bullish trend contrary with the GBP pairs. So pullback for GBP pairs, pullback, then sell. So what happened with GBP JPY is what I was trying to explain. If you can see that it closed below here and then it went to the upside, then today it is to the downside. That is actually the pullback that I was trying to explain to the guys. I mean, pullback up, then down. So where I sold is where the market was actually retesting the zone where it broke. So with that being said, GBP USD, as you can see, Euro GBP, NZD USD, it is playing around there. So, but then the most important part is that if I am profit, Euro GBP, as you can see, and GBP CAD in profit, GBP CHF in profit, GBP JPY in profit, GBP USD in profit, USD, NZD USD in profit. But then there are some trades that are just entered now. So you can see these trades I just open these trades now. So you can see they are playing them on the loss and in profit, so they're just playing like that. So this is how myself actually I'm a profit. So some of the trades they're already in profit, and some of the trades they are on loss. So I believe that these pairs is actually going to push to the upside more. That's why I made up entering more trades. As you can see, this is what is happening in these pairs, playing around at 500 and 70. So if we push to 600 and then going further to the upside, I mean we're going to need more. So from 138, and then this is where I'm at now. So JPY, I think the market now is trying to push to the upside because it had reached the zone that I thought it was going to reach, but then I'm looking to hold just to see if my profit actually goes to 300. I'll be looking to close all of my trades, but for now I'm holding. As you can see, the one trade that I'm looking forward to is this trade, this NZD USD that is currently running. It's this one, so pushing to the upside. Mind you, I entered late. I was supposed to enter here around 300. That's where my actual analysis said I must enter, so I was late, but however I entered, and then this is what is happening, as you can see. So from 108 to 600, it is possible, black child. I'm making it possible. by the grace of God. So it is the GABA forex traders. I will share the link, and then please do actually make sure that you access the link, and then you follow us in our Telegram channel. And our pro channel is a paid channel, as little as 500 for signals, and together signals in that lifetime mentorship, that is 1500. So I believe you guys are going to join us anytime soon after seeing this magic.